We did what you asked.
It's like I said. Fussar knows who you are and knows the price on your head. It's a big problem.
I see.
But if we can silence him, then I can help you escape before anyone has time to get here from America. That way, we all get what we want.
We want to get the boat you promised us.
And you will. But you have found yourself in the middle of a war, my friend. Fussar has called in the Navy from Cuba. There's no way a boat could leave right now.
Hercule! Hercule, s'il vous plaît! Vite! Vite!
Come. Follow me.
Quick! Come on, Arthur, quick! Arthur, get up here!
So now we have a real problem. This must be the boat he called in from Cuba.
That's a goddamn warship. You kinda have to hand it to this feller.
So I guess great minds think alike.
So what now?
We fight or we won.
Any of you boys feel like running? So what do?
I will go get the cannon ready.
Okay, let's get to it.
Morty! Shoot them men! Shoot them! Fellers on them! I see. We got more coming at us on the right!
Let's prepare the welcoming party.
Why the hell are we doing this? This ain't our fight!
Do you want to get off this island or not?
Look out on the left here, boys! You said you were getting us a goddamn boat, Hercule!
Man, what do you want me to do? We are trapped up here! I'm gonna need your help, my friend.
Sure. Hey, fucking son of a whore! Damn, this is heavy. Damn! There's a whole lot more of them turning up! This don't look good, fellers! Oh, damn it!
Let's go down and clear them off the beach.
Wait, I'll come too.
And me.
We'll guard this thing!
Grab that shotgun, Arthur.
There's a lot of guns out there.
So, what do we do?
I say we push forward, because if we don't, we're gonna die here and now.
Okay, then.
Follow me? This is kind of fun.
Stick close!
Come on! Let's move down!
Yes! We need to push them back!
What? ¿Estás viéndote morir?
The ship just hit their own men!
They're kind to you, Mr. Fusar!
There are boats coming from both sides.
Damn it! What do we do now?
I think I got a plan. You cover the right.
Okay.
And you take the left, Hercule.
Okay. Good luck. There's another boat coming in on the left. This is not over yet! Another boat arriving on the right!
I think that's all of them. Good work, gentlemen.
Back to the boat. Come on! Come on! We need to do something about that boat! Damn! He's getting closer!
What do we do?
Two of us must go and use the cannon.
You go, Arthur. I'll gladly hold them off this beach a while longer.
You sure?
Just certain, son.
Papale,
You think that cannon will be enough?
only one way to find out!
Christ's sake, how many men has Fusar got?
That's the problem. It doesn't matter how many we kill. He will have the money to get more. Watch out! Down! We will have to climb up around the side. This way. Wait, look! That one's going right for Dutch. Bossa Connard! I got him! Let's go. Up here, Arthur! Come on! Merde! You men cannon. I'll get you some more shot. Aim at the water line. We need to put a serious hole in that boat.
Plants and keep firing! That one definitely hit!
I got ammunition! Reloading!
Yeah! They're hurting! There we go!
Yes! They're going down! Let's get down from here. Come on.
That was quite some shooting, boys.
Thank you.
What now?
Oh, they'll be back. But I found a boat for you. And he should be arriving on the dock any time now.
Great. Micah, go meet with the captain. If he's amenable and discreet, tell him we'll be ready to set sail soon. Bill, come help me collect poor old Javier.
Sure.
Hercule, it was a great pleasure to make your acquaintance.